Is your MacBook battery draining faster than expected? Let's diagnose it step by step. First, open System Settings and tap Battery to view usage and health settings. Zoom into battery health, check maximum capacity and whether optimized charging is enabled. Check battery percentage and charging icons, MagSafe or USB-C, while plugged in. Inspect energy settings for apps using significant energy and background activity. Note temperature warnings, unexpected fast drain, or sudden shutdowns for next steps. If issues persist, update macOS to the latest version and restart your Mac. Reset the SMC on Intel Macs or restart on Apple Silicon to refresh power management. Close or uninstall high-energy apps and disable unnecessary background processes. Calibrate battery, fully charge, then fully discharge occasionally for accuracy. Compare battery health over time, replace the battery if maximum capacity drops significantly. If problems continue, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider.